This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, September the 3rd. It's Labor Day. I'm Michael Groff. Isolated showers and thunderstorms rumbled their way through the valley this morning, bringing some rain to a few locations, but most of us stayed dry. What about the rest of today and the upcoming week? Do we have any more chances of rain? Let's get out there and talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, 103 degrees the high, 79 the low, 19/100ths of an inch of rain officially in the bucket this morning. And outside right now, here at 7:40 a.m., mostly clear skies in the valley, 79 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 66, humidity 65%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, just about all of us are in the 70s. The upper look across the country, a trough here over the southwest. And despite the fact that we have a somewhat drier westerly flow aloft, with the presence of troughing and surface moisture still sneaking in across the state, that's been the trigger for the isolated showers and storms we've seen the last few days. The watch warning map, we have tropical storm warnings for parts of South Florida and along the Gulf Coast from around New Orleans over toward Biloxi and Mobile Bay, Alabama. And elsewhere across the country, some flash flood watches, parts of Texas and the Gulf Coast, as well as the Midwest. Severe weather outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Dickinson, up toward Minot, North Dakota, with a marginal risk for the adjacent areas there, as well as parts of the Northeast and in South Florida with our tropical system. Could be a couple of isolated tornadoes down there. Rainfall for the next 7 days here in Arizona. Not a whole lot for us here in the valley, around 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch across the high country. All right, so let's get into the details of our weather now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06C run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Upper trough here over the southwest, despite a west or northwesterly flow aloft, more southerly winds at the surface, so moisture's still seeping in. So in the valley today, partly cloudy skies, highs this afternoon, 97 to 100, slightly below where we should be for this time of year. And isolated showers and storms will pop up over the mountains, and I can't completely rule out one or two of those over the deserts, kind of similar to yesterday. This is our high-res model, the HRRR, tonight at 10 o'clock, and it's got a couple of little pop-up showers and storms here over south central Arizona. Exactly where and when they form, unknown, but if you get parked under one of those, could put down some locally heavy rain. I'd say our chances of getting wet here in the valley today and tonight are about 10%. And lows tonight under partly cloudy skies will mostly be in the 70s and low 80s. Tomorrow, kind of the same thing. Partly cloudy, isolated showers and storms, maybe, just maybe one in the valley. Highs 98 to 101. All right, now on Wednesday, we'll start to dry out a bit. Mostly sunny here in the valley, isolated storms over the eastern mountains. Highs 99 to 102. Thursday, mostly sunny, drier, lower humidity. Highs 101 to 104. We'll tack a degree on for both Friday and Saturday. 103 to 106 on Sunday. And then a week from today, this is Monday, the 10th of September, high pressure over the southwest. The intensity of this ridge is a little bit in question, but we'll still keep it with temperatures slightly above average. Highs 101 to 104, and the sky remains mostly sunny with dry conditions. Same thing for Tuesday, the 11th, and then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Wednesday, the 12th. Troughing north of Arizona, flattening out the ridge, lowering the upper heights a bit. High temperatures coming down to the upper 90s to about 101. Let's take a look at the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. It's got highs creeping back up to slightly above average for early to middle September, but overall, dry conditions should prevail after today and tomorrow, and temperatures won't be too terribly bad. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, suggestions, always appreciated as well. Be safe, stay cool out there, and have a fantastic rest of your Labor Day weekend.